When a sync fails in DCKAP Integrator, work can stop. Orders don't update, products don't move, and inventory becomes outdated. You are getting an error. You might wait for help, and your work piles up. Don't worry, most errors may seem scary, but they're usually easy to fix. Most sync issues can be fixed in minutes once you know how. In just a few minutes, you can get operations flowing again. Imagine seeing that error, knowing exactly what it means, and fixing it instantly. No delays, no stress, just smooth, uninterrupted operations. Let's see how you can go from noticing an error to resolving it quickly in the next few minutes. Start by reading the error message. Then check the logs section. Console logs give a clear overview and point to where the problem is. If you need more details, look into the detailed logs. Most sync issues happen for 3 reasons. Connection problems, the system cannot connect. Data problems, some data is wrong or missing. Order and timing problem, the sync is running at the wrong time or in the wrong order. Let's begin with the connection problems. Connection problems mean the API connection between DCKAP Integrator and the system, on-premise or cloud, is failing. This can happen if the server is down, the server is restarting, on-premise, IP whitelisting is blocking the request. Let's look at this example. This is an error email notification from a health checkup. In such emails, we need to read the error details. The highlighted section shows a connection error, which we can identify from the timeout message. This is another error email notification. First, check the first line to see that an error has occurred. If there's a message next to it, read it carefully and look for the error code. In this case, the code is 500, which indicates a server error. To fix connection issues, contact your network or server team to verify server status and IP settings. If you're using a cloud-hosted system, reach out to the system's support team. Up next are the data problems. Data-related errors usually appear as invalid field or missing required data. You need to check the exact field mentioned in the error. While creating an address, make sure mandatory fields like state, zip, and city are present. As you can see in this example, the missing zip code is causing the error. Here's a quick fix. Correct the missing or incorrect field. Then, run the sync again. You can also review the API request in DCKAP Integrator to confirm the data is sent correctly. Let's talk about order and timing problems. It happens when syncs are run in the wrong order or time. For example, run your product sync first, then the inventory sync. This way, the integrator won't try to update inventory for a product that doesn't exist yet. Here are some quick tips. Space out sync schedules. So longer processes, like product sync, finish before faster ones, like inventory sync, begin. And if your order sync depends on customer data, run the customer sync first, then start the order sync a few minutes later. If retrying and doing the basic checks doesn't solve the issue, raise a support ticket like this. Include the error message or a screenshot, and mention the steps you've already tried. This helps the support team save time and resolve your issue more quickly. Thank you.